Hi friends, this is my new Seagate 8 terabytes hard disk drive, an external disk drive. I need it for all the video and all the files that the video generates. So I bought this one because I think 8 terabytes will be enough. As you can see, you get the actual hard drive. Here it is. And you get the charging accessory with extensions for all of the world, so I think they sell the same box everywhere. Okay, I think they could save something selling it in different, well, I don't know. Okay, you get the charging accessory. Let's perfect. Now we have it to use it here in America, and well, you can store all these other ones, or if you're going to travel. But I think I'm going to travel. As you can see, the actual hard drive, it has the energy plug and the USB port here, and it has two USB in the USB ports in the front, a USB A and a USB C. Okay, so let's try it.